TDSMAN supports multi-user operation on a network. To set this up, first, the server needs to be installed, followed by the clients. This video explains setting up the multi-user environment. To proceed, make sure TDSMAN is installed on the system. If not, it needs to be installed. Thereafter, this installation is upgraded as the server to support addition of clients on the network. Make sure one has the multi-user serial No, which is provided at the time of buying the pack. Click on Utilities. Click on Upgrade to Multi-User. Enter the multi-user serial number. Click on Next. On successful setup of the TDSMAN server, click on Finish. Click on OK. The TDSMAN software will close. Now, once again, click on the TDSMAN application. The opening screen will display Server here. This confirms that the server has been properly set up. It is now ready to add clients or users. This serial number displayed here will be required while setting up the clients. One may now exit from TDSMAN. However, for the client installation, make sure the server system is kept on. For setting up additional users, the TDSMAN client has to be installed on each system that would access the TDSMAN server. The link for this client software has been provided separately. In this video, just for illustration, the TDSMAN client has been installed on the same system as the server. Click on TDSMAN client. The process of setting this up is now explained. Select the TDSMAN folder from the server system from the network and click on OK. Enter the serial number of TDSMAN as appearing in the home screen of the server. Provide a unique name for each client or user for identification by the server. Click on Next. On successful setup, click on Finish. The TDSMAN client is now ready to use. Thanks for your time. Hope you found it useful.